Okay, welcome back to the next video. Today we are in Norfolk, Virginia. We're looking at the Nauticus Maritime Museum, Naval Museum. And just right next to it here is the World War II battleship USS Wisconsin. So we're looking over the Elizabeth River here, right off of Waterside in downtown Norfolk. So we're just gonna take a look around a little bit today and see what we see down on the ground. So let's go get started. Okay, so the last thing we looked at was the Norfolk Southern Museum, the train museum, which I haven't checked out, but I probably will sometime. It looks nice. So now the next stop, we're gonna go right down here to Waterside, and we'll take a quick look at it. We have on the channel another video right after it opened, actually, of the Waterside District that we show it all, front and back, inside. So you can check that video out. It should be in the around Virginia Beach playlist or something like that. So check that video out, but we're just gonna go take a quick look, then we'll move on down to Town Point Park. There is a cruise ship terminal down there. I don't believe the ship's in port. And then the Nauticus Museum. And then we'll walk up a block or so and go down Granby Street a little bit and continue the video there. So for now, we're gonna start right across the street here. We're gonna move on to Waterside District. And we'll take a little look at that. So let's go across the street. Okay, so that was the Spirit of Norfolk. Right now we are in Town Point Park, a park where they conduct festivals and stuff in the summer. They do food, wine festivals, all kind of different, pretty much you name it here. They'll set up all kind of tents and stuff. So throughout the summer season, you'll see people here all the time for a lot of functions. But in the off season right now, it's just an empty park. Nice place to walk though, and it's right on the water side. So we're gonna take a quick little look at it. And then just over here is the Nauticus Museum, and the building just behind it on the water is where the cruise ship comes. It's not in port today, but we'll take a quick look at it when we walk over there. And the cruise ship does come there. It's really nice. And then we'll walk up to Granby Street and do a little quick tour up there. So let's take a look at the park just real quick. Okay, so that was Town Point Park and the Nauticus Museum and the USS Wisconsin, which was a World War II battleship. Now we're walking up Waterside, just up a block here. Then we're gonna go over to Granby Street and we'll take a little look there and another shot of the mall. And we're gonna go just up here, about 2 blocks we'll be there. So let's go check that out.
Okay, so that was Granby Street. The building's right behind me. That's the Chrysler Hall and the Scope, which is where the arena is, where the hockey team and all plays. Chrysler Hall, things like Broadway show might show up in there, stuff like that. So that's the venue for that. So we're just gonna walk down and take a quick look at the mall down here, and that'll be about it for this video. We're just gonna go down a couple more blocks and take another quick look. So let's go.